Watch these single scene advert videos we're about to create.
Hello, ladies. Are you looking for that perfect slay? Then welcome to Ella Wigs, your one-stop shop for premium human hair and flawless nails.
Chale, if you dey look for quality phones, original accessories, or laptops wey go last, then make you rush come Alla First Enterprise.
Gentlemen, are you ready to upgrade your wardrobe? Welcome to Vidash Clothing at the home of premium men's shirts right here in the heart of Accra.
Do you want to create something similar or multiple scenes for your brand or product? In this video, I'll show you how to create an advert video using Google Veo 3. Here are tools needed. ChatGTP for the prompt. ImageFX to check how our character will look like. Google Veo 3 to create the actual videos. And CAPCUT, Power Director, or any other editing software to stitch the final videos together. Just so you know, I've made a video on how to get CAPCUT Pro for free. The link will be in the description or up there. Now let's get started.
Alright, so let's head over to ChatGTP to generate the image of our character. So I'll give it this prompt. Give a detailed prompt for a KV Black American woman. I will use ImageFX to generate the image. Then I'll click on generate. Once that is done, I'll copy the prompt and head over to ImageFX to generate the image of our character. Alright, so I'll paste the prompt here. Okay, and I'll hit on generate. This is actually to see how the character looks like. Okay, so once that is done, we head over to the next stage. Okay, so this is how our character looks like. Now let's go back to ChatGTP. Okay, so on ChatGTP, we will give it this prompt. I want to create an advertisement video for a brand called Big Waist Collections. They sell clothes, shoes, and watches. The lady speaking should be in the shop. I want to create this video with Veo 3. Please provide me a prompt to use and what the lady should say. Remember, this is in Ghana, okay? And we have to also inform ChatGTP to include the character we had created earlier. Okay, so use the prompt of the KV woman we created earlier, all right? Now click enter so ChatGTP can start writing our script for us. Okay, so the script is ready. Above here is what the scene will look like, okay? And over here is what the character will be saying. Okay, so now the next stage is head over to Google Veo 3 and start doing the actual video generation. Let's copy the prompt for the scenes, okay? And head over to Google Veo 3. Open your browser and search for Flow by Google. Now click on the first search result. And just so you know, I've already made a video on how to get Google Veo 3 for free, Gemini Pro, and 2 terabytes of Google Drive storage. Okay, the link will be in the description or up there. Click on Create with Flow and click on Get Started. Alright, so now sign in with your Google account and let's proceed. Veo 3 is not free to use, but check description for the video on how to get 1,000 credit monthly for free. Okay, and you click on new project, but then first look at the credit I'm left with. I have like 730. Click on new project and let's start creating with Google Veo 3. We will paste the same prompt we copied from ChatGTP into the space provided below. Okay, we will paste it here and we will go back to ChatGTP, okay, and copy what the lady will say. Some few lines. Remember, you can generate as of the time of recording this video, you can generate 8 minutes video, 8 seconds video with Veo 3. So you copy some portion of the text, what the lady will say. Okay, we'll come back to Veo 3 Flow, and then we'll type she says, and we'll put whatever the lady will say into inverted comma. You get it? Yeah. And you have to make sure that you have selected the right tool to use. Okay, the output result, you have to select only one. You don't need multiple. You're just wasting credit. Okay, and then for the version, you have to select the Veo 3 fast or Veo 3 quality. The quality will exhaust your credit in no time, so you have to select the fast one. You are being charged 20 credit per generation. Okay, and make sure that you have selected a test to video. Then you click on generate, and Veo 3 will start processing your video. Now our first video is done. Okay, so you can download it onto your device now. Normally I would like to always upscale it a bit. Okay, so I'll click on the download. Okay, and download, and then upscaled. Okay, it will take time to process. Whilst you are waiting for it to be processed, you just go back to ChatGPT and copy the next line that the lady will say. Okay, so let's go back to ChatGPT. Now back to ChatGPT, we have to copy the next line that the lady will say. Because we can't exceed the 8 seconds video, we have to also make sure that the words that we are copying doesn't exceed it. Okay, so we come back to Veo 3, and then we click on reuse prompt. Okay, and then we will change what we had earlier pasted that she says over there. Okay, and we will place it with the new one that we just copied. Okay, once that is done, since everything is already selected for us, you click on generate, and the next video will start processing. Okay, so we have to repeat it until everything that she has to say has been completed. Okay, so once this one is done, we will create another one with multiple scenes. This particular one is just one scene. You get it? Okay, so let's do it. Once all the videos are done, download all of them onto your device. We will stitch them together in the beginning of the video. Now let's go ahead and create a multiple scene advert. Okay. And for the multiple scene advert, I want to create an advertisement for a brand called AJ Wigs and Glamour. They sell hairs and fixed nails. The lady speaking should be in the shop. I want to create a video with Veo 3. Please provide me with a prompt to use what the lady should say. Remember, this is Ghanaians. Use the prompt of a KV, exactly like we did earlier on, but with a different brand. And it's going to give us multiple scenes. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so the script for the multiple scene advert is ready. Okay, with this one is quite simple because each scene has whatever they will say. Okay, so let's go through it. You see, as you can see, we have, I think, 6 scenes. Okay, from 1 to 6 scenes, different scenes. Okay, so we'll go back to the top and start creating from the very first scene. Okay, so just like we did before, we are going to copy the script. With this one, it already has what the lady will say. Okay, so we copy from scene 1 to what the voiceover have to come with. Okay, then we head back to Veo 3, just like we did before. New project. Okay, then we paste the prompt here, and make sure you have already selected all the settings that we did earlier on. That's fast, Veo 3 fast. Okay, and test to video, and the output should also just be 1. You don't want to be wasting all of your credit away. Okay, once you click on generate, Veo 3 will start processing your video. Okay, now we have to go back to ChatGPT and get the next scene, which is the scene 2. And just like we did before, you already know how it's done. So I'll fast forward this place. Let's get it done. Now I am done generating all the scenes, so I'll download them onto my device. And now we head over to the next stage, that's stitching everything together using CAPCUT or Power Director or any software that you are good at. Anyway, I'll be using the Power Director since I don't have the CAPCUT on this phone yet. Okay, so let's get started. Open your video editing software. I'm using Power Director. You can use CAPCUT, InShot, KineMaster, VN, any software to do this. Okay, so once it opens, you click on New Project, and you are going to select all the videos, all the video clips. Yeah, so I'll start from. I'm actually doing for the big width collections. Yeah, that's the single shot. Okay, so I'll select everything, and I'll make sure I'll trim some part of it that it wasn't necessary. Okay, and also we have to add some transitions to it. That is the most essential part of this particular video, because Veo 3 did everything good for us. Just that some of the ways doesn't match. You get it? So I'll trim those part off. But the most essential thing that we are doing here is adding transitions to the video to make it look nice. Okay, so I don't know how you want your transitions to look like, but you just have to play around. You get it? Just play around. Try different transitions in each of the scenes. You get it? Okay, so I think I've done enough. I think everything is okay. So what I have to do next is to export the final project. So I'll click on the export at the top right corner.
Love it.
The video will start producing. Okay, so I'll select 4K. You can select 4K or Full HD, anyhow you want it, but I'll select 4K. All right, then I'll name it. I'll give it a name. Why not? Okay, so now the video is ready. Let's watch them both, the multiple scene and the single scene.
Ladies, if you want to slay effortlessly, just pass through AJ's Wigs and Glamour. The glam is serious here.
Short, long, curly, straight, whatever your hair mood is, AJ's got it for you. 100% quality. Ever you want your nails to pop? Come let the pros here fix you proper. From clean classic looks to pure baddie mode.
Wahala for who know they glam up with AJ's. Just look at this transformation. Hot or what?
Good vibes, great service, and the latest looks, all in one spot. Slay with confidence, baby. AJ's Wigs and Glamour, where beauty meets bold. Come through, you go love AM.
Hello, lovely people. Are you looking to step up your fashion game? Then come to Big Wiz Collections, your #1 plug for classy clothes, sharp shoes, stylish watches, and more. Whether you're going to church, that big wedding, or just chilling with the squad, Big Wiz got you covered from head to toe. Everything here is affordable, top quality, and specially curated to make you stand out. And oh, new arrivals drop every week, so there's always something fresh. Big Wiz Collections. Look good, feel bold, live big. Come pass through, you go love it.